today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about this luggage set. I'm preparing to travel a lot, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I got this set right over here. It's going to say it is a 3-piece set, but you also get this backpack right over here. So I kind of consider it a 4-piece set. If you don't like these colors right over here, it also comes in different colors. So you're going to get a 28-inch. So this is 28. This is going to be good for like 7 days plus. I'm going to show you the inside and everything. This is going to be right over here, 24 inches. And this one right over here is going to be 20 inches right over here. So this is going to be your carry-on bags. You can bring this on a plane. All of these have TSA locks and everything you need. Great zippers on these. I've noticed that. So when you get these, they're going to come in a big box. This backpack is going to be in this suitcase. This suitcase will be in this suitcase, and this suitcase will be in there. So you're going to get this one suitcase right over here, and all these other bags are going to be inside of that. The biggest suitcase is about 10 pounds. This is 8 pounds, and this is about 6 pounds. Everything has wheels here, and you could just spin them around right over there. We'll start with the backpack. So this is the first one. Super comfortable on these. Like, look at the padding on these straps right over here. Just really, really nice. You get a lot in here. This is going to be perfect for like laptops and bags like that. And then you have a bag that comes in here as well. I mean, you just can't go wrong with all this stuff here. You can see here, we got a zippered pouch right in there. Then we even have another bag inside of that. I mean, the amount of storage you have with this set is unreal. And then for the backpack itself, let's take a look. This is what it looks like on the inside right over there. Lots of space in here. We also have clips. We have a zippered pocket right up here. So if you want to put chargers and stuff like that that you needed. And then we also have another pouch right over here. You'll see here. And this is going to be great. You can put some pens, pencils, and then another zippered pocket here. So just lots of great pockets in this backpack. And it is super comfortable. On the padding, like I carry a lot of stuff. I carry laptops, I have an iPad, I have a lot of electronics. So I really love these pads right over here for that. Let's go over, let's do the carry-on right over here. So let's take a closer look. Both of these are designed. These wheels are super high quality. You can see right over here, they just spin around really easily. You don't have to worry about anything like that. These zippers as well. So you'll see, all right, so they spin. This also sits flat. So you have this right over here. If you wanted to carry your luggage for whatever reason, I don't know why you would, but you do have that option. And then we have this handle right over here. That just pops right up, and then you could wheel it around and you'll have a handle like that. Or if you want to carry it like this, you could do that. So let's take a closer look at the inside right over here. I'm kind of weird. I like to keep the tags on the luggage as long as I can. So we're going to just unzipper this. Look at how thick these zippers are right over here. And we have like the little piece right over here because it could go in your, it kind of locks the bag, which we'll go over in a second. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is the carry-on part right over here. So we do have a separate compartment right up here. For like for socks, underwear, or whatever you want to put up there. Doesn't matter. This is for main clothing. All the sets look very much similar to this. And then we kind of have the 2 straps that you could buckle in right over here. Not only do we have that, but we also have this side as well. I do like how that goes in the middle. And this could also be zipped up right over here. So if you want to zip this up, you're able to do that as well. This is super durable. All of them look the same on the inside, so I don't need to show you all the inside. And then the lock is right over here. So what we're going to do here, what you would do is you just take your zipper and you're going to bring it right over here. And you want to, because you're going to line them up right over here. It's really easy to set the thing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this other one right over here. And then you're just going to kind of line them up. And then you're just going to put them in here. And that will ensure that it is locked and you're ready to go. And then you can just kind of do that. And then you are set to travel. Easy to go. Really like these a lot. I mean, really great. I still can't believe that you get the backpack with all of this as well. Can't really go wrong with this. I'll be using this pretty much all summer long. If you're looking for a great set of luggage that has the 360 spinner wheels, spins really nice, hard case on this, super durable. You could either carry the luggage, you have the handle to bring it up if you wanted to do that. So much different space in here. Again, 28 inches over here, 24, 20. Backpack, I think I measured it, it's about like 19-ish inches. And then this bag that comes inside the backpack. So if you're looking for a great set of luggage to travel with, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.